Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Fabi, number 13.
I'm Lintang, number 14.
I'm Marwa, number 16.
I'm Pia, number 25.
Today we're gonna perform Ugly Ducklings drama.
The ugly duckling followed his brother and sister slowly, but they always stared at him.
Suddenly, one of them yelled, "You are not like us. You are very ugly and weak.
Go away!
How can you say such a thing? Be nice.
Mother duck was angry.
Now, line up. We will go to the river and swim.
Quack, quack, we are swimming in the river." Each yellow ducklings jumped in the water, jumped in the river, and swam behind Mother Duck.
Quack, quack, I can swim too, mother.
After swimming, the yellow duckling started to play. The ugly duckling tried to play with his brother and sister too.
Quack, quack, I can jump and shake my wings.
But the yellow ducklings yelled,
Go away! The ugly duckling walked with his head down. He was sad.
The ugly ducklings went to his mom and said,
Mom, they don't play with me. Am I too ugly?
You're different. You are not yellow but gray in tail.
Ah!